I solve this? Oh, it's in bases. The integers to the bound joint for every base between 2 and minus 1 standard implementation. Integer returns to the bound joint. To convert from base to another in C++. Well, I think it's just we just convert this to binary. I think we just hey, thank you, Daya, thank you, bro. Just started lead code. Any advice on how to improve? I mean, hey man, I'm not that good. I'm like kind of intermediate. I'm kind of advanced beginner, but you just gotta solve more problems. You just gotta solve more problems, bro. Rose Requiem, you just gotta solve more stuff, man. You just gotta put in the time. Okay. So we convert it to 2 and then we convert it to but you have to put in integers. No problem, man. No problem. You're good, bro. No worries. Not need to represent the numbers in the computer. Still computer texture binary. Just first convert to decimal representation, then convert to a decimal number to base B. From decimal to base B. Anyways, to decimal. The decimal equivalent number string and the base is equal to plus base to convert from decimal to any base. When input num, you convert to a number on base. We're dividing input num by base and store the remainder. Okay. Finally, reverse the obtained string to get the desired result. Store the remainder. Okay. So we gotta convert to number base by dividing input num by base. Okay. So for int I equals 2, I less than n minus 2 inclusive I plus plus. So our base is going to be equal to I, our base is going to be equal to I, and string is going to be this. And now, so we divide by base and store the remainder. Store the remainder. Okay. So so what I'm gonna say, while actually we can just say num. So while num stir plus equals num %2 dot base num dot I, and then num divide equals I. Then we're gonna have L equals 0, R equals stir dot size -1, while L isn't equal to R. If stir of L does not equal stir of R, I'm going to return false. I'm going to return true. Okay, let's see. Error. Unexpected identifier I. What? What does that mean? What am I? What? Huh? Oh, what? Okay, I have no. What is this error? No, like syntax. Oh, I'm in JavaScript. Why am I not in C++? 25. Okay. Let's see if the submission passes. Okay, yes. Hey man, we solved a medium question. Let's go. We solved a medium question. I mean, 90% acceptance, but still. Medium question. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. This was what was this? I have 2 pointers. I mean, I didn't use any pointers. Oh no, I did. and L plus and R minus though. How did it not give me time limit exceeded? Okay. All right. Okay, nice. Let's see something else now. Let's see something else. Partition area according to given pivot. Oh yeah, remember this. May 9th, that's what? This is 11 days ago. Given a zero index integer array numbers in an integer pivot, rearrange the numbers such that the following conditions are satisfied. Every element less than pivot appears before between the elements less than pivot. The order elements less than pivot and the elements greater than pivot is maintained. More from consider Pi by Pj, where Pi is the new position of the ith element, Pj is the new position of the jth element. If I less than j, then both elements are smaller or larger than pivot, turn nodes up after the rearrangement. Yeah, this is definitely 2 pointers right here. So maybe we do it from the both ends. Which one is less? So which one is less than pivot? It's 9. Then which one is, oh no, nah. Which one is less than 953? And then 12, 10, 12, 14. We need to insert the pivot as well. How is this 2 pointers though? I should put the element smart in pivot and the greater than pivot in a separate list, the sequence that they occur. Pivot is where the list generated, should generate the result. Okay, I mean that basically gave me the answer, but smaller, greater bit, bigger. So for int x nums, if x let it pivot, smaller, but push back x, else bigger, dot push back x. Vector int ants int l gets 0, int r gets 0, well, L less than smaller size and R less than small and bigger dot size if smaller of L less than period. Okay, so actually no, so just need to for int x smaller as dot push back x as dot push back pivot for int x bigger as dot push back x return as wrong. Yeah, so we don't actually put a pivot in there. $9.53. Okay, what? 953. Okay. Okay, what's wrong here? Nine two 953. So the 10 is coming in place of the 12. And this 10 is in the back. What? Else if vector int equal x greater than pivot else equal dot push back pivot x for int x in equal as dot push back x. Okay, let's see. Okay, very nice, y'all, very nice. Okay, I did solve it with both hints. But hey, that's still another medium question, bro. Another medium question. Let's go. Let's go. Can I get a let's go and can I get some W's in the chat? Can I get some W's? Can I get some W's in the chat for two medium questions solved? Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Number of arithmetic triplets. You are given a zero-indexed strictly increasing integer array, a positive integer diff. A triplet is an arithmetic triplet. The following conditions are met. I is in chosen k, nums j minus nums I equals diff, and nums k minus nums j equals diff. Return the number of unique arithmetic triplets. Okay, I think this is gonna int I get 0 and then nums size I plus for int j gets 0 j less than nums dot size j plus plus for int k gets 0 k less than nums dot size k plus plus if I is a j less than k. So int ans j less than k and and nums of I, not of j actually, minus nums of I equal diff and nums of k minus nums of j equal diff as plus plus return as. Okay, so first this might not be correct and then we might get time exceeded. Expected variable name. This okay, what is this? I don't know what this error is. So itself is valid. Okay, something with the bread. Oops. Okay, so this. Okay, these ones. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna pass though. Okay, it did pass. Alright, y'all, alright, y'all, alright, y'all. Alright, man, so we just closed in on 1 hour and I'm actually like I'm good right now. We solved two medium questions. We solved some new this one. So yeah. Thank you all for tuning in, man. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all. I wish you a good rest of your